Hello guys. In this video, I will teach you how to give credit to the owner who has her video in your video. This includes downloading the video or screen recording the video and re-upload it. This will help you to avoid copyright strikes, but not all the time. So let's start. So first, I have this video here that I have downloaded. Now I will upload it. You can name it anything you want. In the description, you need to give credit to the owner by adding the original video's link. Here is the original video that I am using. I will copy its link. Now I am going to write and paste the link. This part is done. You can set the other settings in the upload section if you want. I will skip that. Now if you already have uploaded it, then you can go to the video edit section and add the link in the description and then save it. Or you can just give credit in the comment section and then pin the comment. That's how you can give credit to the original owner. Thanks for watching.